Hello, everyone. I'm really excited to be here today because 3 weeks ago, I was in Munich at Intersolar where I met Jan. And I told him the story about Airteam and how we are growing 2x year by year. And then with minutes, he convinced me that we could make a much bigger impact if we have the right partners, if we have the right means. So here I am today for the first time at Ecosummit 2025, presenting Airteam and our Series A funding round. I'm Thomas, founder and CEO of Airteam Aerial Intelligence. In Germany, there's about 5 million craftsmen that work in 1 million businesses. This is 10% of Germany's total working population. Out of these, 90% still use super manual method for their measurements. 90% use pen and paper, a yardstick, a tape measure for creating their offers, to do solar planning, and even their final billing. Right now, that the economy is struggling, they hit with multiple problems, with low productivity, a shortage of skilled workers, and ever stronger government mandates for solar installations and also CO2 reductions. So what's the solution? It's robots, on the one hand, to empower semi-skilled workers with drones, and AI to enhance their productivity. For this, we've built a platform. We call it the Airteam Fusion Platform. It's a one-stop shop digital cloud solution, which is 10 times cheaper due to AI automation, 8 times more precise than satellite imagery, and offers our customers, the craftsmen, a 0% error rate. We've built a complete ecosystem. That is, if you have a drone, it's a 100% cloud solution. You can get ready within 5 minutes of an onboarding video. If you don't have a drone, we get you ready with hardware and software within a day. And if you don't even go to your project site, we also got you covered more than 1,500 pilots in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. And to make the life of craftsmen as easy as possible, we partner with more than 25 different software companies, such as Eternity from Matthias, who you saw earlier today, and you'll hear after me from LumuView from Silva. And with rapid product development, we've expanded in 2022 from roofing companies to solar installers, to carpenters, to scaffolding companies in 2025. And we're not done yet at all. We're tackling housing association, energy consultants, architects, and insurance in the upcoming years. This is a total market opportunity of 1.6 billion euros of our existing verticals and 2 to 3x that of our future verticals that we will be tackling. And we have strong tailwinds. On the one hand, the skilled labor shortage that's getting worse and worse, especially in Germany, the AI momentum to have ever more advanced systems to reduce costs, and also the mandates to reduce the CO2 footprint and have more energetic building renovations and solar installations. We've proven product market fit so far with more than 70,000 projects we have conducted with leading industry players as 1,5 Grad, who's one of our customers, CKW, Svea Solar, Creaton, and many more who use us every single day, 1,250 in the past 12 months. And we're growing our annual recurring revenue by 70% year over year. And we're growing capital efficiently and not recklessly with a 6-to-1 customer lifetime value to CAC ratio. We're doing all of that with an experienced leadership team that has exited before a CAD software startup, that has grown teams in tech from 10 to 100 people twice, and then have more than 10 years experience in SaaS software sales for craftsmen, and backed by industry experts and investors. For us, AI is not a buzzword. It's part of our culture from day one that we've built into our internal systems to automate as much as we can, but also for our customers to make their life as easy as possible. And we're raising our 6 million financing round. We have already 1 million committed from our existing shareholders, and on top of that, an additional 1.5 million in government grants. And we will use these proceeds for AI automation to bring down costs even further, to expand in further markets in Europe, and to fully scale out our platform with more features. We've built a software that can create CAD models that used to cost thousands of euros for as low as 10 euros. We're razor focused on the build and energy sector, and we have built integrations and partnerships with all key players in the industry. So I'm very much looking forward to talking to you today and tomorrow if you want to join us in accelerating the energy transition together as investor, partner, or customer. And very much looking forward to that. Thank you very much.